cherished and remembered. Rita was a woman of substance, a woman of integrity, and a woman of indomitable spirit. She was a fixer, a troubleshooter, always ready to help, lend a helping hand, and always ready to go the extra mile. Her dedication to her family was unwavering, and her commitment to her work was unparalleled. She was a pillar of strength and a source of comfort to us.
And you've seen for a week now the series that I've been running of Rita. And you can see that indeed she was a professional journalist. And I usually say that as a journalist, you are as good as the brand that you've built, and that is the brand that Rita had built as a professional journalist.
Licha ya kuwa kwamba alikuwa na tajiriba kubwa, Rita hakuwa na majivuno. Rita alikuwa ni mtu wa kupenda kila mtu bila kudharau mtu yoyote. Najua wakati mwingine inafika mahali tunataka kuuliza Mungu kwa nini? Mbona akamchukua Rita? Mbona akamchukua Rita kutoka kwetu? Lakini tunasema kwamba kazi ya Mungu haina makosa. Ni ile tu tutamuombea Mungu ailaze roho yake mahala pema, tuseme kwamba tumwachilie.
Huruka uhoro Rita Tinina na murare wito ripoti iyo niyo igukoro